cosmetologist at Diamond Venom Braiding Studio, so we gave my day one her first silk press. Started with the clarifying detangling spray to get her detangled and twisted, and we used Design Essentials Agave and Lavender system today. We used the hair bath twice to clarify and cleanse, and then went to step 2, which was the conditioner to moisturize and detangle. We used steam as well, and then after that we went ahead and used our leave-in hair and scalp treatment infused with amino acids that we always use, and we followed that up with the blow dry and silk prep spray. We did our blow dry, silk press, and trim, and then threw some curls on that joint, you feel me, and then gave her this beautiful bust down. So shampoo, treatment, optional trim. Go ahead and book the look, boo. Peace.
Hey Beauty Boss, if you want to know how to achieve flawless silk press results like this, you're in the right place. For this look, we used the Design Essentials Agave and Lavender system. It worked beautifully. Now, if you're new here, thank you for stopping through. I'm glad you found us. Make sure that you hit that subscription button and the notification bell so you never miss an upload. And if you're already part of the family, thanks for coming back. Let's get into this silk press process. Now, notice we are starting with blow dry. Definitely starting with a freshly shampooed head, making sure you do your deep treatment, your leave-in treatment, and heat protectant, and then a thorough blow dry. Definitely keys to getting a sufficient silk press. Okay, so one of the secrets to achieving a flawless and pristine blowout is to make sure that you work in manageable sections from the beginning of the process. From the detangling, we use a triple threat moisture spray that has apple cider vinegar and tea tree in it, and it lets us section the hair, detangle the hair, no matter what is on it, whether it's product buildup, gel, anything. It'll break it down, and allow us to put it into manageable, workable sections for the shampoo, for the treatment, and for the blow dry. So at all points of the hair care process, we are keeping the hair twisted for optimal stretch, ease of detangling, and manageability. So when we shampoo, we might take it out a little bit, but when we go back to do the treatment, we're putting it right back in those twists. When we blow dry, it may come loose a little bit. We spray our leave-in on it, put it right back in the twist. Okay? So that's secret number 1. Okay, so another tip here is to make sure that you start with the perimeter first. And that's simply because the perimeter is like the first thing to revert when you're wearing your natural hair in a silk press. Whether it be from heat or just from, sweat or perspiration of the client's head, that's what's going to revert first. So it's technically like doing a double pass on this area, but it's really just making sure that you get it nice and pressed out to your liking. You start there, and then you start to incorporate this into the rest of the hair as you proceed through the rest of the head. Okay, so you want to make sure that you work small too. Don't take a section that's too big trying to rush the process. Take small sections and move slow and get that heat on the hair, but don't overdo it. That's how you do one pass, and you don't need to do like multiple passes. Okay, so performing a trim for a client is simply holding the hair out at a 90-degree right angle all over the head. Okay, this is your skateboard cut, so you definitely want to master this. And then after you go ahead and cut the interior lengths in layers, you go ahead and do your outline to make it a cohesive, nice, flowing, uniform cut. Boom. When you get to this portion and you're doing the curls, you could take slightly larger sections. However, you still want to kind of move slow when you're forming your curl. What I like to do is with my lengths in the back, because I want them to hang a little longer and not be tight curls, is I do those a little looser. And then as I get up into the crown and the apex of the head, I alternate between the curling irons and the flat irons to give a really a tighter curl, but not too tight like Shirley Temple. But it gives that definition that we need in that body oddy. but it gives the body that you need to just have a nice flow and movement to the hair, especially considering that we just did a cut. So that's what I'm doing here. You'll see me alternating between tools, but that is how you can achieve the look that you're going for. I could have done it all with the flat iron, but I didn't want super tight flat iron curls in there because it would have been way too tight for what I was trying to do today. So boom, hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe if you enjoyed what you saw today. Hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And also don't forget to like this video and leave a comment down below if you like my process. Tell me what you do. And if you learned something, let me know. Catch you in the next video, guys. Boom. And really quick before we go, this is just the comb out. Just giving it some, some vavoom. Combing out the curls and just kind of moving them around and playing with them so they can fall effortlessly. But look at the life in that hair. It looks so good, so soft, and this is from the whole process that we did from start to finish, from detangle to shampoo to treatment to blow dry and leave-in and heat protected to slow passes. All of that is what went into creating a beautiful silk press. All right, y'all. Thanks for learning with me today. I appreciate y'all. Remember, every day above ground is a good day, so make it count. And I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.